Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing a review of BizSuite AI. This is a new AI-powered platform that can help you with a variety of business tasks, including content creation, voiceovers, conversion acceleration, cloud storage, link shortening, and SEO optimization. What is BizSuite AI? BizSuite AI is a cloud-based platform that uses the latest advancements in AI technology to help businesses automate and streamline their operations. The platform is packed with features, including content creation. BizSuite AI can help you create high-quality, engaging content for your website, blog, or social media channels. Voiceovers. BizSuite AI can generate professional-sounding voiceovers for your videos, presentations, or marketing materials. Conversion acceleration. BizSuite AI can help you improve your website's conversion rate by optimizing your landing pages and calls to action. Cloud storage. BizSuite AI gives you access to a secure cloud storage space where you can store all of your business files. Link shortening. BizSuite AI can help you shorten your links so that they're easier to share and track. SEO optimization. BizSuite AI can help you optimize your website for search engines so that you can get more traffic. How does it work? BizSuite AI is easy to use. Simply sign up for a plan, choose the features you want to use, and then start creating content, generating voiceovers, or optimizing your website. The platform is guided, so you'll always know what to do next. If you want to know more about this software and want to see the demo, then click on the link below. Who is it for? BizSuite AI is for anyone who wants to improve their business with AI. This includes businesses of all sizes, from small businesses to large corporations. Whether you're a marketer, a content creator, or an entrepreneur, BizSuite AI can help you save time and money. Pros and cons. Pros. Easy to use. Powerful AI features. Affordable pricing. Wide range of features. Cons. The steep learning curve for some users. Some features are still in beta. If you're looking for a way to improve your business with AI, then I highly recommend checking out BizSuite AI. The platform is packed with powerful features that can help you save time and money. In the description below, you'll find a link to the BizSuite AI website. You can also click the link below to get a special discount. To learn more about BizSuite AI, visit the website or sign up for a free trial. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.